Look, heliconias on both sides. Bright and colorful blooms commonly found in a tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park is one of the largest heliconia collection center in the world, and the only one in Asia.
Aquatic ibis.
To your right, dazzling bright red-orange birds, the scarlet ibises. Like the flamingos, the bright colors come from the carotene found in the diet they eat. The shorebirds are located next to the scarlet ibises.
अब तुम मुझे बोलना मैं ले रहा हूँ लोगों तो एक बार में कि नहीं आ सकता
To your right, the Royal Ramble, home to crowned pigeons, the world's largest and most beautiful pigeons, native to Papua New Guinea and Indian China.
कोई बात नहीं अगर आपको भी नहीं लेके आएंगे नेक्स्ट
To your left, the world's largest collections of hornbills and toucans. It's made up of 25 flight aviaries, housing 18 species.
Window on Paradise.
To your right, Windows on Paradise.
Windows on
The bird
Paradise.
of paradise is regarded as one of the most beautiful birds on earth. And the Jurong Bird Park is the first in the world to be the bird of paradise.
बस
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to make our first stop at the Lorry Rock, the world's largest. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on our tram ride. You're now off to visit the world's tallest man-made waterfall in an aviary.
क्या है ये?
To your left, the Birds of Prey aviary, housing some of the world's most amazing stunt flyers and powerful hunters, like the eagles and vultures. Catch more of these birds at the kings of the skies.
नहीं आएंगे तो आएंगे नहीं यार बस अगली बार ट्रैम ले रहा हूँ नहीं आ पाएंगे यार ओह वाह ये आ सकते हैं See. किधर है? वहाँ पे अपने इधर आएंगे। रास्ते के तरफ।
To your right, the Bird Discovery Center. Here, we conduct scheduled tours, display bird eggs, feathers, bones, and many others. Learn more about birds and their habits.
Dinosaur
Let us
descendants.
travel back in time with the dinosaur descendant, home to the world's flightless birds, the ostrich, cassowary, rhea, and the emu. These birds are non-flyers, but can leap up to 7 feet high. Your family can also visit the Dino Dig for an archaeological experience and be a paleontologist for a day. flightless birds, like the dodo bird of Mauritius, are extinct today due to the cruelty of mankind, environmental hazards, and the lack of breeding and conservation programs. We all need to play our part for the next generation of wildlife to survive. African waterfall aviary. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have arrived at the African waterfall aviary station. Remember to take all your belongings with you and keep your tickets for the next. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back on board. Let us continue our exciting journey where colors live. Look at the swans at the Swan Lake, where we can observe the graceful swans closely. See them glide across the water with no effort at all.
Yeah?
To your right, the pelicans. A 7 species of pelicans.
ये रास्ता उनके लिए नहीं है क्या वॉक करने के लिए? ये रास्ता वॉक करने के लिए नहीं है क्या?
They're huge, aren't they? They have a pouch that can hold 13 liters of water. The pelican makes sure that it empties its beak before it flies. Otherwise, it will be too heavy to take off. Catch pelican chit-chat at 2 p.m. daily at the Pelican Cove. Perhaps no other birds are as elegant and graceful as the lovely flamingos. The lodge on Flamingo Lake commands a breathtaking view of flocks of foraging flamingos. It's an extremely popular dining venue for weddings, parties, exclusive seminars, and even team-building programs with these cute ladies in attendance.
मैंने भी सुन लिया.
Enjoy your ride with us? Do continue your journey on foot when you arrive. Grab a map, watch the shows, take photos, and buy mementos at Bevan's and our other gift shops. Feeling hungry? Grab a bite at the Bongo Burgers restaurant or dine at the Hot Cafe, situated at the entrance.
ये तो है बे.
Now, get ready for big splashes of fun at our bird-themed water playground, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content. Gear up for a massive soaking experience under the giant tipping bucket at Birds of Prey.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, take note, this tram will be stopping at the hop walk. Okay, you guys, once you leave the tram, please ensure that you have everything with you. Okay, we hope you have a nice day here at the Jurong Bird Park. For any of you guys who wish to carry on with the tram ride, you guys can proceed to the main station, which is just around the corner. Thank you very much once again.
यार से पूछना था काम लिया मेमोरी का.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the tram ride. Once again, to ensure you have everything you want to leave the tram, thank you very much, and we hope you will have a nice day here at the Jurong Bird Park.